Hi guys, so today, nandito sa, wait lang, mga pangalan ulit ito, nandito pala tayo sa Windows 10, tas, ano to, who's going to use this PC?
You know, Ivy Laxina we know is a young player, but
Wait lang.
throughout the conferences, she showed so much maturity, patience in her game.
Wait lang, so, sige, ganun. Yes na lang, te. Maria ang pangalan ko sa YouTube, pero Sofia naman pangalan ko sa Roblox. Okay lang. Create a super memorable password. Don't use your real password. Make sure to pick something you absolutely remember. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8. Hanggang 6 lang? Okay. Downloading flies? Ayan. Sabi daw nila dito ay parang totoong ano siya daw. Parang totoong high. Parang totoong computer. Ayan. This might take several seconds. Okay, ang tagal. Joke lang. Wow! Don't turn off your PC.